Welcome to the 2023 Chevrolet Traverse RS in sterling gray metallic. This SUV is powered by a 3.6-liter V6 bolted up to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Taking a look inside the Traverse, starting off on your left-hand side, we have the controls for your power folding and adjustable mirrors, automatic headlights, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, 8-inch touchscreen complete with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and navigation, push-to-start ignition, dual-zone climate control, shifter and all-wheel drive controls are in the center console, Bose audio all throughout the vehicle, and the rear view mirror camera. Taking a look at the exterior of the Traverse, starting off with the 20-inch wheels paired up with Continental cross-contact tires. Moving right along, paint-matched door handles, black-toe Traverse badges on the doors, paint-matched mirrors with the LED turn signals. Around the front of the vehicle, RS grille with the black-toe bow tie in the center, RS badge in the grille as well, LED daytime running lights and headlights. Back down the side of the vehicle, this SUV is remote start equipped. Rear tinted privacy windows with black trim all around. And around the back of the vehicle, black doe Traverse badge, RS badge on the right side, black doe bow tie in the center, chrome exhaust tips, and GM's multi-stage hatch. Heading back inside the Traverse, starting off with your second row seating. Seats are car seat ready and easily collapsible, allowing plenty of access to your third row. USB charging ports on either side. Bose audio continues throughout the vehicle, and here in the center console we have the third zone of your tri-zone climate control, as well as 2 more USB charging ports and a 120-volt outlet. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough on the 2023 Chevrolet Traverse RS. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.